Back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Google Drive to the Claude AI. So guys, if you want to connect the Google Drive to the Claude AI, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you create the new chat. Okay, when you are on the main page, so guys, here you see there is a one options like customize, the back option, the back symbol like option. You just click on this option, customize. Okay, and is freely available, no need to purchase and the paid subscription of the Claude. And guys, here you see the option of connect your app, let Claude read and write to the tool you are already use. Okay, so just click it. After that guys, here you simply search about Google Drive. So you simply search the Google Drive. So guys, here you see the option of Google Drive, just click the option of plus icon, and guys, here it asks you to give the access. So you just allowed and you can check and you just give the access. Okay, and if you want to read something, so you just click and read. So this is the way that guys you can, here you see the connected to the Google Drive. So this is the simple way that you can connect your Google Drive with the cloud. Okay, and now you ask the question about your connected things. So you simply ask about your connected particle. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.